Alright, hello everyone. I got this oxygen tank and a regulator set, and this oxygen regulator, when I turn it on, it won't hold the pressure what I need it. It just goes crazy and then it leaks out to the valve. So you can hear it coming out. So I need to fix it. So we're gonna take it apart here now, okay? Alright, so let's try to take it apart. With this one, let's bleed off all the air, okay, is you need a little strap here, and then you can put it around this because there's not a wrench part, so then you can just wrench it and then this will come loose. So there we go. So hopefully we can get this thing working. So there we go. It's done. So take this apart, and this is like a light duty unit. This is not the medium or heavy duty unit. Take it apart and you'll notice that there's a washer on the bottom with the spring right here like that, and then there's this ring that goes on top of it, keep that all together, and then there's this like valve, and just check it to make sure if it's broken or not. And if you look at this one looks fine. There doesn't seem to be any tears in it or anything like that. So we're going to go with that being okay. And then if you take a little socket or an adjustable wrench, I'm going to take let me go get a socket that fits. All right, so I got this. This is a 16 millimeter. It seems to fit. I got a 1/2 inch drive on it, and we're just going to back it out just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so then you take this apart, and that comes right out right here like this. Hopefully you can see it still. You basically get this, and this is the part that if you can tell on the inside here, this is the part that's probably bad, because that's the only other thing that goes bad. But to get this apart, there's a little, you pull this back, and this plunger just comes right like that, and just make sure you get everything together, and you'll just replace this part. So let's go get the new parts. A little bit of lube. So I'm just going to put the lube on it. Just a little bit of lube here on both sides. Okay, just make sure. And then we're going to slide it in there. There we go. There we go. So use the new piece there, and then okay, I've got the new valve assembly, came with it, and put the new plunger on it, and so we're going to put that in there like so, and we lube that up as well. So we're going to put all that together, and then we're going to take this piece, which is the top, and we're going to carefully thread it back on. Okay, and then everything should fit in. And then we can take a wrench and tighten it up. Okay, I'm not going to go crazy. Alright, so let's put these pieces in. The goes in first, so nice, make sure it's nice and tight. Then the other piece goes on top of that. Okay, put a little bit of grease on that, and of course you want to make sure there is a spring and a top for that. So make sure that this button, okay, faces the right direction, which is inward to the nozzle. Okay, so okay, and then tighten that up. Because there's not too much grip on it, so let's see if we can tighten it. And there we go. Oh yeah, that works good. So that actually fixed it. That works now. Yep, just got to zero it out. There we go. So we'll fix the dial on it, and then it should be fine. But it actually now will actually pressurize and read where we need it to. See? That's good. Oh, good. Nice fix. All right. Thank you.